Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make a talking cartoon character of yourself. So watch the video and get to know it right now.
Okay, so creating that kind of creating turning your photo of yourself into a Pixar-style cartoon animated series. So doing that, you're first of all gonna be using ChatGPT so that it can give us a prompt that can transform our personal photo into a Pixar a cartoon kind of photo. Then we then go over and animate it. So click on go to any image you want to reference. Okay, then you have to say provide. Okay, now send the prompt. Perfect. So this is a very perfect. Okay, so then you just have to copy the prompt gotten from ChatGPT. Then once you copy the prompt, head over to so once you get to Gemini, okay, so once you are in Gemini, click on these tools and select create images. Then paste the prompt inside that place. Then send the prompt. Okay, then don't forget to add the reference image too. So add the reference image. Okay. So once you've added the reference image, then you send the prompt. So let's see what it gives us. Perfect. So this is a Pixar-style character of that person that my image that I've uploaded. So now once you've gotten this, then you save it. Saved. So once you saved it. So then head over same ChatGPT using the same Gemini. So just go open the new tab. Okay, then go to that tools again. Then select create video with VEO 3.1. So then you upload it. Okay, so you upload that person that you've saved. Okay, so you can as well crop the image because the image should be in 16 by 9. I think 16 by 9. So this is not gonna work. So just head over to the image. Okay, head over to the image. Then you just have to crop it. So it will be cropped. Okay, so that can fit in as a video. Okay, so once you've done with that, you head over to Gemini. Then you upload the image again and you say make this character to say this. So you can tell him to say whatever I want to say. Okay, you can say hello there, hope you are learning first. Okay, so now you can tell me the accent. So you can say accent, go to accent, you say Nigerian English. So it could be pidgin English. If you want me to be pidgin English, you can as well do pidgin English, but let's do Nigerian English. So I think that also make character to Okay, they can say include and gestures and make him move around. So you just tell him just tell him what you want to look like. So it's as easy as this. So you send the prompt. So let's see what it gives us in the video. Okay. Okay, so our video is ready. Okay, so save it to your device. Then you can open it. Okay, so this is it. So I think most of the time this happens a lot. So the sound doesn't come out. So I think that's an issue with Google VEO 3. So, but this is very perfect. This is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, see. So you see it. This is very. You can use it to create movies. Movie scenes, advertisement or whatever. So now if this happens, so what you have to do is that you repeat the prompt again. Okay, you place it again, send the same video prompt, then the next video I think it will come up with sound. Okay, but because you don't want to take much time, so just follow the steps. Okay, to get it done. So once you follow the steps, so just try it again some other time. I think the sound will come out again. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you get to watch these kinds of videos some other time. Okay, see you guys, and bye.